Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Meghalaya High Court, in its recent order, has permitted the international export of limestone as a major mineral. It may be mentioned that till the 23rd of June 2022, limestone was considered to be a minor mineral. The lifting of the export ban on limestone has come after the state government of Meghalaya had followed up on the matter and later sought suggestion of the central government through the Ministry of Mines and Coal and the Ministry of Commerce for the approval of limestone as a major mineral so it can be legally exported outside the country. Announcing this on Thursday, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that the ban on the export of limestone to other countries was lifted after the Ministry of Commerce had clarified the fact that limestone can be exported outside of the country. Following this, the government of Meghalaya had submitted an affidavit through the Advocate General to the Meghalaya High Court, which later passed an order on the lifting of the international export ban on limestone.
For export of limestone outside the country, and if you recollect, the order of 23rd June 2022 was export of limestone to Bangladesh is allowed, but it should be only the major limestone, means treated as major mineral. So ultimately, the moment we receive the order of the Honorable High Court, then state government has taken up this issue with the Government of India, Ministry of Coal and Mines, as well as with the Ministry of Commerce, and ultimately, few days back, we got their views, the notification, the clarification from these two concerned ministries, be it from Coal and Mines Ministry and be it from the Director General of Foreign Trade, Commerce Ministry. They have clarified that export is already listed in the list of export items of limestone, irrespective whether limestone is major or whether limestone is minor. So today, through the Advocate General, we receive the verbal observation of the Honorable High Court. From now on, we are going to issue challan again for export of limestone, irrespective of major or minor, and the state government will accordingly issue the challan to all the concerned exporters for exporting of these materials outside the state and outside the country. And again, the Honorable High Court has listed this case in next 50 days.